In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to your website using Wix Studio. This is a great way to integrate specific functionalities or third-party services into your site seamlessly. Whether you're looking to add a widget, enhance analytics, or simply customize the appearance of your website, embedding custom code can be a powerful tool. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Wix Studio, the versatile web platform tailored for agencies and enterprises. This platform is specifically designed to accommodate more advanced customization needs, and it's perfect for those who require more control over their website's functionality. If you're not already logged in, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll have several options for logging in, but a quick way is to continue with Google. This method is both secure and convenient, allowing you to streamline the login process. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Wix Studio editor. Here, you'll notice a plus icon, usually positioned in a menu or toolbar. Clicking this will open a variety of options for your site. Among these options, locate and select Embed and Social. This section is where you can input code or link various social or script functionalities to your site. The next step involves clicking on Embed Code. You will likely find this as an option within the Embed and Social menu. When you select this, it'll allow you to specify the type of code you wish to input into your website. It's important at this stage to ensure you have the correct code ready to input, whether it be HTML, JavaScript, or some other script. Next, click on Enter Code. This is where you'll actually paste the custom code you wish to embed. A text input box will appear, providing you the space to paste your code. Make sure your code is clean and correct to avoid any errors on your site. Pasting incorrect code could potentially disrupt your site's functionality, so double check your code. This step is crucial. Finally, after pasting your code, click on the Apply button. This action saves the changes and embeds the code on your website securely. Always preview your site to ensure everything appears as expected and that the functionality works correctly. If there are any issues, revisit the code to ensure all syntax is correct and compatible with your website design, and there you have it. You've successfully added custom code to your website using Wix Studio. Remember to always keep a backup of both your website and any code you embed to safeguard against any potential mishaps. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.